Hey guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Outdoor Addiction. Today we are out here at Lake Camanche targeting trout, and basically whatever bites, but mainly trout. So we just launched out over here by the South Shore, and it's really early right now. We got out here in the water, it's a little dark, but we're just starting to prep up a little bit. So I'll be using pretty much lighter rods for these trout. Go with this Speedy Shiner gold on the downrigger, about 20 feet, and a couple Rapalas or Rapala, or however you guys want to call it. Have a couple joint minnows in me too, so I'll be trolling the top surface as well. So let's go ahead and do that. I haven't been out here in this lake for a while. Let this one, I'm gonna let this jointed minnow at least 80 feet to 100 feet back. Just free line it. Nothing on it, just free line. That's what you kind of want to do. Marking a lot of fish here and there, all the way down from 25 down. Looks like either bait ball or trout or whatever. But I'll put that I'll put the Speedy Shiner on it. 25 foot down. And hopefully a rainbow will pick it up or something. Right now we're gonna pretty much target some of the top surface trout. This is early morning. Just letting the line out. Make sure that drag's loose enough for it to hook onto it and take off. Well, set that there. Just put the Speedy Shiner back about 50 feet back, and put it on the downrigger 25 foot below. That's good enough. You always want to kind of be trolling above those fish that you're marking, because those fish are always looking up. These trout here are always looking up to feed. Usually I don't put that lure right into them. If you see a school like that, usually I put it right above them, because they always want to feed up top. At least 5 to 10 feet above them. Well, let's see if I can get my first rainbow of the year. I've been too busy targeting some other species instead of these rainbows. They've been stocking them all over the place, different reservoirs and stuff. They even the park ponds with the kids. So right now I have one at 25 foot and I have a top line joined to Minnow. And let's see which one bites first. Like I said, I haven't been to this lake in like 3 years. Last time I was out here, I was catching a couple crappies here and there. Crappies and rainbows and spots. Doing circles, but I might head back towards the ramp a little bit. There's too much bait here.
Got another miss hit by the rock wall.
By that rock over there?
Yep, it didn't stick, but it was a hit.
Okay, I'll head back out that direction then. There's too much bait here. They might not even eat yours because they're pretty much targeting on one bait only. The whole mouth of that armor is full of bait. Which color are you getting hit on?
One's shad and one's black and silver.
Okay, no green, huh? No fire tiger, huh?
No, I haven't decided to run the fire tiger yet.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, just came off.
There might still be kind of finicky.
Yeah, a little finicky, but yeah, now it just came off. That was a good hit. There's one there. Fish on, guys. Too loose. All right. I'll make a run or something. Coming straight at me. Coming straight at me. It's gonna go crazy. There it is. Got my other line. All right. First rainbow of the year. It's a nice one too. Might have to go back right through there. That's a fish on. Alright, I think we got a fish on here. Oh no, he spit it right out. Son of a gun. That was a good jump though, I'll tell you that. He got me good. Come on. Okay, there it is. Not bad, not bad. Lost that one. Gave me a good jump on that one. Shook it right off. Oh, we got one on here. Oh, make sure it's hooked on this time. Come on, jump for me. What is that, a bass? It might be a bass. Not sure. Or a crappie. Not sure too. Please be a crappie. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, I have to go back. think these crappie are in that 20-foot zone. Heck yeah, baby. It's perfect. I was wondering why I didn't jump or anything. Yeah, I think I just got a hit right here. Lost one this morning right here too. What'd you do, take a nap?
Yeah, I took a nap and lunch.
Is Jerry, they still there?
I don't know where they are.
They're not the group that are to your left side right now?
Something's empty, so I don't know who those people are.
Oh, that's not them, huh? This morning they were right there. Oh no. Either fish on or I'm stuck. It looks like a fish on. I think I'm stuck in the seaweed on. But oh, it's a bass. Not what I'm looking for. It's a nice one though.
Anybody catching anything at Camanche?
Oh, it's a nice small. Well, it's a largie.
Not a whole lot. We got one in the boat. Missed about 4 bites.
Nice one. Got a fish on. Just when I'm about to change the battery for the GoPro. Let's hope it's a trout. Coming straight at me. Nice trout. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Just when I'm about to change this GoPro out. Change the GoPro for a new battery. I get hit. pretty decent as well. So just about when I was about to change out the battery for that one, this guy hit. It's a nice one too. Another similar size, a bit smaller, but still really good. Let's go back and do that again. That feels like a good one. Oh. That feels like a good one. Straight at me somewhat. Oh, yep. I'm not sure what it is yet. Maybe nothing. Whoa, 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 it's a big trout. It's a nice trout. It's a nice trout. Oh no! Darn it. That's a nice trout. You can't win all the time. Can't win all the time. They get you. That was the better trout. That was the bigger trout today. And it's gone. Shucks. Can't win them all the time. Bye-bye, trout. Well, lost that one. It didn't put up a fight until it got to the kayak. I should have just let it stay way back there. Let it fight by itself until it gets tired. It's alright. Can't win them all the time. But that was pretty much the bigger one of the day. Hopefully I get into some more of those bigger ones like that. Yeah, I'm catching these fish around 10 feet, 8 feet. That's it. I'll stay in that range for now. So I'll stick in that range for now since I'm getting bit. Man, I can't believe it. It is what it is. Can't win them all the time. Son of a gun. How big are you though? because I know you're still green for sure. How big are you? How big are you? Ah, not as big as the other one. Third one of the day. Would have got my limit if I wasn't such a rookie. Golly. Alright. Okay. Dance. There's another one. That's the third one for the day. Lost my limit, I guess. But hopefully I redeem myself and I catch my limit before the day ends. Oh my gosh! That's pretty good. Fish on! You saw it? Woo! He's still red hot. Straight into the net. Ah, yeah. Oh, that's another nice one. You see it come out of the water? That thing just shoot out. That was a better hit. That was a striper hit. Yeah, it's tight inside. Yeah. I rub back and forth, that's it. keep going. Make another U-turn all the way over there. Come back, hit it again.
You turn that cove?
Yeah, U-turn at that cove over there.
Haven't got hit since morning. That's a nice one.
I lost a better one. I was so crying about it.
Hop off?
Nah, should have retied.
Oh, well, you took your lure?
Took my whole joint.
There you go. Stop.
But I replaced the different one though. You want to stay till dark, or you want to call it quits?
Call it. Fight's pretty dead.
All right, let's rock and roll. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. Lost a couple fish, got my 4 and got a crappie. Kind of largemouth as well. But it was still a really good day. Really nice day. Fish were biting. Sue skunked. Didn't catch nothing. Still a good day for me. So we're gonna call it a day. Head on in. If I pick up another fish, heading back in, that'd be awesome too. That'd be my limit if I could get one in. But yep, call it a day, and thanks for everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come.